How to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. The first thing you want to do is make sure do not disturb and power saving are turned off. So if it is turned on, make sure to turn it off. Next, you want to open up the Gmail app on your device. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Now tap on General Settings. From here, tap on the option of Manage Notifications. Make sure you've toggled on Allow Notifications. Now scroll down and tap on Notification Categories. Now you want to look for the email where you're not getting the Gmail notifications. Make sure that both of these options are also toggled on. Now check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, open up your settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on Gmail. Here tap on Mobile Data. Toggle on Allow Background Data Usage and Allow Data Usage while Data Saver is on option. Then you want to head back. Now tap on Battery. Here, select Unrestricted. Head back again and this time tap on Storage. Go ahead and tap on the Clear Cache option. After you do this, the problem with Gmail notifications not working will be fixed, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.